Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today let's try a very tasty chicken dry roast recipe. The masala of this chicken dish is too delicious. So let's start with marinating the chicken with some salt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder and some garam masala. Mix everything really well onto the chicken and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Now heat some oil in a pan and start frying all the chicken pieces. Here I used coconut oil for that nice intense flavor, but you can use vegetable oil as well. Keep the heat on low to medium, cover the pan and cook. When one side turns light golden shade, flip it and fry. Don't fry it too much as the chicken will turn very hard at the end. So when it slightly changes its color and get 80% cooked, take out the chicken from the oil. Now into the same flavored oil, add ginger garlic paste and sauté it. After sautéing it for 2 to 3 minutes, add finely chopped onion. Add some salt and cook the onions till it completely changes its color and gets shrunk. And when the onions get really fried like this, start adding the masalas: turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and some garam masala. Saute it till the raw smell goes. Now into this add in 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Saute it. Cover the pan and cook the tomatoes really well. Once the tomatoes get nicely cooked, add some water to make the gravy bit loose. Now add the fried chicken pieces, mix it and coat the masala nicely onto the chicken. After adding the chicken, cook it for few minutes in the masalas so that the masala coats the chicken and enhance the flavor really well. Finally, add few curry leaves and our chicken dry roast is ready. So in this chicken dish, the masalas taste equally tasty, and this is a perfect combination to have with white rice, chapatis or paratha. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.